Welcome to Nigeria Anchor News. In today's news,
7 protein-rich foods to include in your Nigerian diet. Nigerian diet? Well, we would ask that you don't look at it as a homogeneous group of foods consumed in the country. However, whenever we are talking about healthy eating, people say it's hard to have a balanced diet in Nigeria because most foods are carbs. This isn't true, and carbs aren't a dietary villain, by the way. The problem lies in the fact that most people don't know what foods are protein-rich besides meat, fish, or eggs. To help, we've done some research and found 7 protein-rich foods to include in your Nigerian diet. 1. Green peas. A cup of green peas contains 8 times the protein of a cup of spinach. You can also get almost 100% of your daily value of vitamin C in a single cup, so they will help keep your immune system on point. 2. Guava. Guava stands apart as the most protein-rich fruit of all. It packs more than 4 grams per cup, along with 9 grams of fiber and only 112 calories. A single cup contains 600% of your daily value of vitamin C. To get this quantity in an orange, you would have to eat more than 7 medium-sized ones. 3. Nuts. Nuts are good sources of protein, and examples include almonds and cashew nuts. They can be incorporated into many recipes, and on their own, they make a good nutritious snack. 4. Soybean. Soybean contains a lot of protein as well, and it supplies essential amino acids. Soy products such as texturized vegetable protein, TVP products, are also good sources of protein. 5. Oats. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth because they are loaded with several nutrients including proteins. They are also full of fiber content, manganese, magnesium, and vitamin B1. This is why they are one of the best breakfast cereals out there. 6. Avocado. You might be surprised to know that avocado is one of the top sources of proteins when it comes to fruits. Avocados are packed with proteins and unsaturated fats, which are known to make joints supple and keep blood pressure in check. 7. Peanut butter. This favorite spread provides amino acids, vitamin E, magnesium, and you guessed right, proteins. In fact, all kinds of nut butter contain protein, so if you're not a peanut fan, try almond butter or something else.
That is the news for now. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notifications whenever a video is uploaded.